Allegedly, 3 hours after the death of our brother, Otumba Bamidele Akingboye, 210 million moved out of his account.
Olùdíje fún ipò gómìnà nípínlẹ̀ Ondo ni o. Lálàgbà tẹ́ ń wò yìí o. Ṣùgbọ́n ìròyìn kan gbòde kan níbi ọjọ́ bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn pálàgbà yìí kú. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ló fa kú alàgbà yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn tó spread káàkiri allegedly. Wọ́n nìkan nínú àwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló tì í látòrí báńkónì. Pé títì tí ó tì láti báńkónì báyìí ló bá ṣubú. Pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n gbà rọ́ọ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ hospital. Tálàgbà ń dẹ̀kú. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti wá gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó lágbára. Tẹ́ bá rí ní tí wọ́n kó lọ lé alàgbà yìí pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣèwádìí, wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe forensic gbogbo ẹ̀ wípé wọ́n fẹ́ mọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sárákùnrin. Ṣùgbọ́n allegedly bí wọ́n ti sọ síwájú pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló pa. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣe rí this particular story ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí màá gbìyànjú láti tẹ̀lé láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn nǹkan kan tó ti ń jáde o lẹ́yìn fídíò eléyìí another fídíò kan tún wà tí máa post fẹ́yìn èèyàn wa. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ já gbọ́ gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ táwọn ọlọ́pàá gbé. Ìkan nínú àwọn ọmọ alàgbà yẹn sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni wọ́n sọ, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Àwọn àṣírí kan tó lágbára ti ń tú. Kódà wọ́n ní wọ́n ti transfer owó lẹ́yìn ìgbà tárákùnrin yẹn kú tán. Wọ́n náà transfer owó látàkáǹtì yẹn kan sákáǹtì yẹn kan. Àkáǹtì ta ni wọ́n ti transfer owó. Ibo dẹ̀ ni wọ́n transfer owó tí wọ́n transfer lákáǹtì alàgbà yìí sí. Next video tí n bá máa mú wá. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ jẹ́ á careful gan o. Àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin ẹ jẹ́ á wà careful. Lágbára Ọlọ́run àní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ kú. Ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan ká gbọ́ gbogbo ohun tí àwọn ọmọ sọ àtàwọn ọlọ́pàá ibi tí iṣẹ́ ìwádìí wọn tí wọ́n ní wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń ṣe ibi tí wọ́n bá dé máa gbé yín débẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ.
The Special Police Unit within the State Criminal Investigation Department, Gba Lagos, is deployed on a mission. They head to a crime scene within the metropolis. The location is a conspicuous building in the VGC area of Aja, the residence of former Ondo State SDP governorship candidate Bamidele Akingboye. Homicide detectives arrived to unravel the unknown cause of death of the head of the Akingboye family. Grief is evident among family members, while domestic aides also appear heartbroken. They gather around investigators, recounting the last moments spent with their father. The scene of the incident is cordoned off. Detectives unbox forensic tools to collect physical evidence and biological samples.
We have to investigate deeply to know the circumstances surrounding his death, because he's somebody that was hit and heavy, and we got the complaint that his body was found within the compound, and this is somebody that was believed to have slept in his dwelling house with his family. All these circumstances needed to be properly investigated.
Samuel Akingboye, the eldest son of the family, told Channels Television that he has called for a thorough investigation by the police to uncover the mystery surrounding his father's death.
I saw him the day before, so it's very, very shocking just to see this happen. So, that's why I opened the case to know how he died, because I wasn't getting any explanation, and it's been just very tough, to be honest. And I just want to do the best by him, know how he died. There has to be an explanation, and that explanation is what we're all looking for.
I urge the public to debunk everything that's been posted on blogs, on social media. Everything is not the truth. I believe that the police is currently carrying out an investigation, which I believe they'll carry it out diligently. The truth will surely come to light. The whole family stands behind the police. And yes,
we are not going to leave any stone unturned to ensure that we get to the root of the cause of his death. And where there's any reasonable suspicion that some people are involved, we ensure that such individuals are apprehended.
Detectives exit the scene with collected samples for further analysis, as the result of the autopsy is still being awaited. Meanwhile, invitations have been extended to some key occupants of the house for questioning. It's now left for all parties to cooperate with homicide detectives as they work to establish the true cause of Bamidele Akingboye's death.
Our late brother, Otumba Bamidele Akingboye, popularly known as Oba. And as I promised you, I said I will continue to feed you with our findings. I'm not a court, so anything I'm saying here is allegedly. Allegedly, 3 hours after the death of our brother, Otumba Bamidele Akingboye, 210 million moved out of his account. And allegedly, they found 150 million in the account of Mrs. Chrissy Akingboye, who happened to be the wife of Otumba Akingboye. And also, another 50 million was found in the account of the son of Mrs. Chrissy Akingboye, who also is the son to the late Otumba Bamidele Akingboye. And allegedly again, another 5 million was found in an account of a resident, which is still unknown now, who is a resident in the home of Otumba Bamidele Akingboye. We do not know whether it's a driver, whether it's a cook, whether it's a gardener, whether we don't know yet. But all I'm saying is still allegedly. So I'm using this medium to call on our brothers and sisters. Please, we should work around the clock to unravel the death of this gentleman. Otumba is an easygoing person. I know him very well. He's a friend. Most especially, I'm calling on Commissioner of Police, Bode Odajuni, who is from Igbutako, who happens to be from Igbutako. Also, Commissioner of Police Ojakpenwa, who happen to be from Ilututu, our Ikale sons, who are highly placed in the police, to please intervene and make sure that there is transparency in the investigation going on right now. Because there have been confessions as I speak. But we continue to bring to you all our findings. I said earlier, all is still allegedly because I'm not a court, but an investigator. Good morning from here. Olujimi Adekanle Lijoka, the CEO, Savannah News Corporation. Honestly, I don't know. What a Black Friday.